Let's see how to enable or turn on the stolen device protection feature on your iPhone. This is a very useful little feature that adds an extra layer of security to your iPhone when it's not in a familiar location, such as home or work. iPhones have had a loophole for years, where if someone knows your passcode, they could use it to access your passwords that are stored on your phone. They could pay for this, many more stuff, just by knowing your phone's passcode. But now, with stolen device protection, Apple fixes that issue. The first thing that we want to do is to open the settings on your device and then go over to the General section, Software Update, and check if you have the latest version of iOS installed on your device, which is iOS 17.3 at the time of recording this video. Stolen device protection added in this specific software update, so you will have to be running iOS 17.3 or newer if you want to access this feature. Now, let's go back to the main settings page. Then open the Face ID and passcode option. Then enter your iPhone's passcode in order to access these settings. Scroll a little bit down, and you're going to see this Stolen Device Protection option right here. We will tap on this Turn on Protection button, and the feature will be enabled. From now on, when you access certain sections and settings on your iPhone where they prompt you to scan your face with Face ID, and you fail a couple of times, you won't have a passcode alternative anymore. You will have to use Face ID in order to gain access to specific things on your iPhone. You won't get an option to enter a passcode anymore. So this is an extra layer of security that can be very useful and protect our phone from other people that know our passcode. And that's about it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you soon.